Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner and I am a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Today we're taking a look at 3 properties, all within the price range of $497,000 US dollars to $524,000 US dollars. Before we get started today, I just want to say that if you are looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, please contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. If you are looking to purchase, I can send you some links of properties in your price range with some parameters that you prefer in a home. If you're in town, I can take you out to go look at a few things. If you are looking to sell, I can come to your property and give you an opinion of value of what your property can sell for. You can also visit my website to find a link to the MLS in the Lake Chapala area so that you can browse homes at your leisure. And within that website, you will also find a link to our bed and breakfast and our cafe, both located in Ajijic Centro, and both just won Best of Lake Chapala for best coffee and best bed and breakfast for the 2nd year in a row in the Lake Chapala area. So if you are coming down, come down, stay with us. We'd love to have you. And please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, if it brought you some knowledge. Please subscribe to the channel because it helps me out, helps others to find me, helps with the algorithm. And leave your comments down below if you have any questions or comments or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, last thing, I am missing my cat. My cat has gone missing. She's been gone for almost 2 weeks now, and she's very pretty, and we kind of knew that this day may come. She's indoor, outdoor because she was a stray when we found her, so we kind of let her do her thing. She's never really strayed further than the neighbor's yard. The neighbors kind of like let her hang out over there. But she's, as I was saying, she's a very pretty cat, so we kind of knew that this might happen. We think maybe someone picked her up because they thought she was a stray. So if you have seen this cat, she is mine. She has a beautiful home. She has a brother and a sister who live here too. And we put flyers all over town, and we've asked all the neighbors and posted all over social media. So this is my last resort putting it on here. So if you've seen her, I'd like her back, please. All right, first property we're looking at today is located in Upper Ajijic. This is a beautiful home, has an excellent view of the lake. And it needs a little bit of updating, but it's a great house and I think it's nice. So let's go take a look. Alrighty, our first house is listed at $497,000 US dollars. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom on 2 levels. The bottom level is a little casita type situation, so you could rent that out or have someone stay in there if you have visitors. Construction size is 308 square meters or 3,315 square feet. Your lot size is 892 square meters or 9,601 square feet. The HOA is 48,000 pesos annually, and that comes to, I believe, about $2,500 annually. It does not come furnished, and it's located in Upper Ajijic. All right, everybody, this is the house number 1 on tour. I'm zooming out so you can see the whole gated community here, that we are about this far from the carretera, or the main highway of Ajijic that divides mountainside with lakeside. So this area right here is Upper La Floresta, so this is located right behind that. This is Lower La Floresta. Your Ajijic Centro is here, and this highway will take you up the Libramiento into Chapala or Guadalajara. Walmart is right here. Let's check everything out. Here's Ajijic. Here's San Antonio. This is Riberas. And if we go all the way to the west, you'll see we'll go into San Juan Cosala and Jocotepec. And if we go to the east, we are in Chapala. This is the Libramiento I was telling you about, where you take this up and you can go into Guadalajara, or you can go into Chapala. Some things that are around here, obviously Walmart. Here's Centro Laguna Mall, and this has a food court, movie theater, casino. And then if you want to do a little bit more shopping and dining and everything, you can come in here into Ajijic, or you can go over the other direction into San Antonio. For emergency services, you have Hospital Ajijic. This is Ajijic Clinic, and this is open 24 hours. Or you can come over to San Antonio Hospital, which is right in here. And then here's a Chapala Dental Care, but there are dentist offices everywhere. And my personal favorite is located on Colón in Ajijic. Dentistry with a difference. They're amazing. All right, second home we're looking at is located in San Juan Cosala. This one's also very beautiful. This price range is a very good price range for finding exactly what you want in the Lake Chapala area. So all these homes that we looked at, the buyers really loved. All right, so second house on our tour is listed at $519,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 319 square meters or 3,434 square feet. The lot size is 622 square meters or 6,695 square feet. The HOA is 1246 pesos monthly. That comes to around $70 to $80 per month. It does not come furnished, and it's located in San Juan Cosala. Okay, second house on our tour is right here in this gated community. And this one is located in San Juan Cosala. And if we zoom out, you'll see here's San Juan Cosala here, which is well known for the Racket Club, which is also a gated community. Manticosala Spa, and there's another spa that's pretty popular right down in here in San Juan Cosala. This area is very well known for geothermal waters and spas that you can go to take advantage of that. Through San Juan Cosala, the town, you have a little bit of shopping and dining. Okay, so here's Laguna Vista, which is where the house is, and if we zoom out a little bit, I'm going to put a little pin right there so we can see where we are. Okay, and then most of your shopping will probably be done over here at Pancho's. This is where Pancho's is located. That's the second location. The first one is in Riberas. Most of your emergency services will be coming from Jocotepec, so that's good. Okay, third house on tour today is my favorite one in this whole video. I was not super thrilled about going to see this out. Not that I wasn't super thrilled. It was just like, oh, let's go check this out. The photos definitely did not do this listing justice. It is beautiful. I love it. There's a really nice breeze through there. The mountain view is very nice. The architecture on it is unique. I really loved it. It was a nice, pleasant surprise, and the buyers felt the same. So let's go check it out. Last but not least, this little beauty is listed at $524,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. Look at this little guy, he's so cute. On one level, the construction size is 288 square meters or 3,100 square feet. The lot size is 629 square meters or 6,670 square feet. The HOA is 1,300 pesos per month, which comes to about, I'd say, $80 per month. It comes furnished, which is nice because their choice of decor is very beautiful. And it's not actually located in Chapala Haciendas. This is in Brisas de Chapala. My mistake. Chapala Haciendas is actually located across from here, across the highway from here.
atrevo a bailar arriba de esa tarima. Yo no me atrevo a bailar arriba de esa tarima. Con esas bailadoras que vuelan con cada rima. Con esas bailadoras que vuelan con cada rima.
All right, third house on tour is located right here. Nice corner lot with a mountain view to the north. And if we zoom out, you will see that we are actually in the gated community of Brisas de Chapala. We are not in Chapala Haciendas like I had kind of stated in that little image on the video. I'll show you where this is actual Chapala Haciendas. This is Brisas de Chapala. So if we zoom out, you'll see that we are on the highway that leads to Ixtlahuacan and Guadalajara. Let me zoom out a little bit more so you can see that. Here's Ixtlahuacan and here's Guadalajara. There is a Soriana right down here, which is like Mexico's version of Walmart. And I think it would take you maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes to get there. And then all of your emergency services and everything will be coming from Chapala up here to Brisas de Chapala. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, remember you can contact me at Amanda@LakeChapalaRealty.com. If you have any questions about purchasing in this area, how it works, all of that, go ahead and email me and I can answer all of your questions. And keep my cat in mind. If you've seen her, let me know. And I'll catch you all next week. Bye.